This is the last quarter moon, and I'm observing in the -10 degrees temperature. Using the Asahi-Pentax 60mm telescope, a legendary telescope refractor, and I prefer to use a straight through, but because it's a bit high, I'm just using this diagonal. You can use any diagonal, and I'm using this Russian LOMO, which is equal to Carl Zeiss, is a clone of the Carl Zeiss orthoscopic eyepiece. Let's see how is the view. I'm using a LOMO equal to Zeiss eyepiece, 12.5 times, and on a Pentax, Asahi-Pentax 60mm refractor. Image quality is stunning. Carl Zeiss Jena. This is sold as a microscope eyepiece, 2 of it for £12. The blue fringe you see is introduced by the diagonal. All diagonals introduce that. Also the camera lens, the mobile phone camera lens I'm using, also introduces this chromatic aberration, because the angle of the viewing also is changing. My hand is not exactly at the axis of the eyepiece. And that was the view through this rare eyepiece. It was cheap. I could buy it for 2 for £12, but now it's expensive. We cannot find it even. There were microscope eyepieces, and people didn't know how much they're worth. Probably now it's changed. So this is a 12.5 times orthoscopic eyepiece. One of the sharpest, is made in Russia. Purchases before all these things happening with the Russia and everything on eBay, and it just arrived. 2 of these for £12.